Welcome to maximum length substring with two occurrences. You are given a string S of lowercase letters. Find the longest contiguous substring where every character appears at most twice, then return that length. For example, in BCBBBCBA, one valid answer window has length 4. Tip: at most 2 means the count of each letter is less than or equal to 2. What is valid versus invalid? The window BCBA is valid. B appears twice, C once, A once. The window BBBB is invalid because B appears 4 times. And for a string like the longest valid substring has length 2. Tip: different letters can each appear up to twice. The rule is per character, not on how many distinct letters you use. The idea is a sliding window with 2 pointers, left and right, plus a frequency map. Expand right to include new letters. When some letters count goes above 2, shrink left until the window is valid again. Whenever the window is valid, update the maximum length. This is the same pattern as at most k frequency problems, with k fixed to 2. Step 1. Expand the right pointer. Add the character at right and increase its count by 1. Then check only that newly added letter. If its count is still less than or equal to 2, keep going. If its count is greater than 2, the window is broken, and you must shrink from the left. You only need to fix the letter you just increased. Step 2. Shrink the left pointer while the window is broken. While the count of the newly added letter is greater than 2, decrease the count of the character at left, then move left forward. When the window is valid again, update answer to the max of itself and write minus left plus 1. Left only moves forward, so each index leaves at most once. Walkthrough for S equal to BCBBBCBA. Grow the window while counts stay valid. When a third B appears, shrink left past earlier B characters until the count of B is again at most 2. A best valid window looks like BCBA with length 4. Every letter in it appears at most twice, so the answer is 4. Here is the recipe. Set left to 0, answer to 0, and start with an empty count map. For right across the string, add 1 to the count of S at right. While that count is greater than 2, decrease the count of S at left and move left forward. Then update answer with right minus left plus 1. Finally return answer. In short, add right, fix if over 2, update max length, repeat. In JavaScript, use a map for counts. Initialize left and answer to 0. Loop right across the string. Let C be the character at right and increase its count. While the count of C is greater than 2, decrease the count of the character at left, then increment left. Update answer with the current window length. Return answer. Shrink only while the newly added letter is over 2. Time is O of n, because the right pointer moves n times and the left pointer moves at most n times. Space is O of 1, because there are at most 26 lowercase letters in the count structure. Edge case. If the string is all the same letter, like the answer is 2. Key takeaway. Sliding window with counts at most 2. Expand right, shrink left, track the max length.